Pas-pas kayak nangyari.
Na yung mga kuano, si Batiro.
Ceremony lagi. Pana.
Tahu na kasi wala na na-video di ha.
Wala na. Yan. Nakabalo siya mag-pray sa flag ba? Kabalo siya, gray sa flag ba?
Alright. As you can see, our preschooler ducks and people chicken right. And nakapag-flag racing na rin tayo, which can only mean that our class is about to start. Mabuhay Madayaw, my name is Ian, and I'm actually one of your hosts in this 40 minutes of nature discovery experience. Now today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn a lot about birds, nature, and culture, and hopefully by the end of this show, a lot about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. Now I'm just very happy because I noticed we actually have a lot of kids present here today. Hi! Hello!
Hi, hi.
Kahit yung mga kids at heart na rin. Hello!
Hi!
Kawin-kawin naman sa mga estudyante natin dyan. Hi! But you know what? For today, hindi lang po sila yung mga estudyante natin. In fact, all of you are going to school together. Because what better way to learn and understand about birds, nature, and culture than learning it from our teacher birds themselves, right? Now, let me just share this one with you that our teacher birds are actually rescued and donated birds that we can no longer release back in the wild. Why? Because first, most of these birds are non-endemic. It means to say, hindi po sila taga rito. Even if they're physically fit, but if we release them back in the wild, surely they won't survive our environment. Secondly, most of these birds are left disabled from their previous injury. Which is why we here in Malagos Garden Resort, we take this opportunity to do this activity to entertain our rehabilitated birds and at the same time teach you our guests about environmental and cultural awareness. So yan po yung gagawin natin this morning. Okay po ba?
Yes.
Alright, since all of you are going to be students of the Malagos Bird School, my question now to everyone would be, are we all ready to learn this morning?
Yeah.
It seems that the others are still sleeping.
Ala! Ala. Ala. Kito sa nangay. Kito tanawon. Ala. Nanawag. Ala. Ala.
Kamunok na pa dito.
Paisa. Hala. Sige, kaya mo tugpagin.
Ano sa mga eksena nga ni Ron? Eagle oh.
Wow! Philippine Eagle.
Now, you might have noticed earlier that the local tribe of Chimpe was actually praying to the birds for divine intervention. Now, these are very common because birds are actually a very good biological
Kato na, kato siya na.
every
Ikaw
after
gyapon.
calamities such as earthquakes or typhoon, if you happen to see birds flying above us in a circular pattern,
Hindi na ako siya
that's actually a
kakapas.
good sign that it's not safe to
Tingnan ka
return.
dito
So,
sa
it's
videography
for
na.
these kinds of signs.
Tara, tara,
In
tara,
every
tara.
disaster,
Wow, wow, wow,
we have a
Kiki.
chance to rebuild, to
Wow.
assess our mistakes, and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and